Hey guys, welcome to my channel Bhramantik. Today we are at Dubai Frame. So let's walk around and enjoy.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to the world's largest frame, which is Dubai Frame. Dubai Frame is one of the most visited tourist attraction in UAE, and it's located near Zabil jogging track and close to Red Line Metro. There is a huge parking space which charges you 10 dirham regardless of parking hours. RTA city bus, cabs and the private vehicle are the best option to reach Dubai Frame. If you will come here by Red Line Metro, then again you will have to change cab or bus to reach till Dubai Frame. So better you try to avoid traveling by metro this time. The entry ticket for Dubai Frame is 53 dirhams for adults and 20 dirhams for children. Since there is no long waiting, you can also buy ticket from the ticket counter at the time of entry. There is a free entry for infant under 3 years and also for the people of determination along with their 2 companions. Once you will enter inside the frame, you will get to know about the history and old Dubai. So on the first floor of Dubai Frame, we will walk through the perfect replica of old Dubai. And now it's the time to walk on the top of Dubai Frame. This lift will take you at the top at the height of 492 feet from the ground in just few seconds. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the beautiful view from this glass lift. As you enter, you will see the huge glorious passage with the range of colorful lights at the top and the glass walking bridge for the walk. Walking on the glass bridge at the height of 150 meters seems to be a thrilling experience. Dubai Frame is basically the observation deck. It is mounted in such a way that from one side you will see the old Dubai and from other side you will see the new Dubai. There is a small pantry where you can grab a coffee or some snacks. There are some gift shops as well and the penny press machine for the souvenirs. You can spend your time at the top as long as you want. You can take the pictures and can enjoy the view. While going down, we'll again take a lift. And here is the one more treat to your eyes, the beautiful city view and its amazing road network. to be very frank, you should not expect too much to see at Dubai Frame. It's just a monument and the observation deck. The building itself is the beauty, and it holds the Guinness World Record of world's largest frame. There is a small presentation on UAE's successful projects on this huge 3D screen. So if you want, you can stop and watch it. This is going to be the last section of this beautiful building, the souvenirs. You can buy different kinds of gift items like magnets, coffee mugs, merchandise and much more. Buying the gift item from the same place you are visiting is always quite expensive. So in my opinion, if you want to take some gifts while going back from the Dubai trip, then go to one gift shop. You will get all these things at very reasonable cost. Now let's go out and check out the garden area. This is the garden, or you can say the park area. Here you can roam around and can click the beautiful pictures with the world's largest Dubai frame in the background. This is the daytime view of Dubai frame. If you will come in the evening, you will get to see the colorful frame.
This was all about Dubai frame. Hope you also enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and keep traveling with Bhramantik.